Okay, and did you build it yourself?
Yeah, a lot.
And what prompted you to pick the NG?
We looked around to see what I liked and what would take the V8, and that was it really.
Guys, if you're walking around, just be mindful because these cars will make a bit of a blip going round. I don't want anybody coming to grief. This was the Elan that people almost forgot, but it was a very capable front-engined Lotus Elan, the SE. The purists decided that front-wheel drive wasn't what they were really all about, but if you wanted a car that you knew about, if you're a real petrol head, then it certainly was a car that had its handle absolutely usable, totally relevant of perhaps your acclaim and applause at the relevant moment in all these pursuits. Now we have a Jaguar on 16, that is a 323. I know this car, the only one of them from this colour, and I was just looking at the registration to make sure it wasn't right.
Well, this used to be a dispatch car in Australia.
And they differed, didn't they, from the Mark II in several ways?
Yeah, couple of ways. Maybe the
yeah, and you enjoy your car. How are you having it?
9 years.
And it's weekends, holidays, and regular driver with it.
Correct. I'm calling about the ultimate little bit of it. That's what.
Okay, I'll let you out. Nothing to do. Thank you very much. Another video. You are all around today, you guys, aren't you? And I'm still up in one as well. And you can see the results are from the other celebrities from the back engineering of the ANC. You had the Hilda Beats, the Steven Gazelle, they had a Woolsey version as well. They just subtly changed the body I can imagine, used the same car. Absolutely brilliant, that's a great story. Now I had a friend, the whole family used to have Triumphs and Vitesses, and they used to swap engines and bonnets about, so you never knew whether it was a Vitesse you were seeing or a Herald. And when he was a student, he used to put a Vitesse bonnet on just to up the ante a little bit. But fabulous to see, and certainly in the estate car version, they are quite rare. You guys just hold for a minute, yeah. No, you're going to go under the wheels of another one. Yeah, okay. Quickly. Nice and careful. If you are walking or riding, you shouldn't really be riding through, you should be walking your cycles, just make it safer. That way it's fair on you and it's fair on the drivers as well, especially if you're in charge of young children. We do not want them coming to grief. Any small accident or coming together just because you're in the wrong place at the wrong time. So. Try and share the space gently. If we do get the old aggressive person, then they are being a little distracted, unfortunately. But we will try and all play nicely together if we can.
You should get two mates in the TR. You look at the fact it's for a seat. There's nothing there. It's not a seat.
Hello.
It's the legs.
Well, you are really pushed the boat down this time, haven't you? I'm going to get a photograph because I reckon it's a shortly in contention. Now here they are in this absolutely gorgeous Triumph Stag. These are a great motor car.
Another TR.
V8 engine, usually automatic gearbox, 4-seater, Grand Tourer, should have stolen one of the puppy blows. Here has some loaded head problems, but right, if any of you remember UFO and the angels who used to fly the rocket, the plane from they look like the
thank you.
From the UFO movies. Okay, thanks guys. Guys, whoa! Try and behave sensibly. Unfortunately, some of the cyclists seem to be doing their best today to try and kill themselves as rapidly as possible.
Jensen Healy.
Oh yes, go on. Quick.
There is an old phrase that says in Indian secondary application. It's nice working well, take all.
Special view for that one.